Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer like a session for this love pain, yeah? Ooh.
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am filming a plan with me in my new on-the-go mini happy planner. This is the Wild Style planner, and I just switched from the Homebody, which is a dashboard layout, to this planner, which is a mini vertical. So this week I am planning for the first week in July, and that's the week of June 29th through July 5th. And this week I decided to pull the stickers that came with the Be Happy box. So these stickers came with the Be Happy box, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, guys, that's it. I really like how this turned out. As I said before, I think I said it earlier, I'm not really fond of the mini vertical layout. There's something about, not having stickers that fit the boxes and things kind of, shift into other boxes that kind of bothered me when I first tried using this vertical mini. But I think that now I'm just trying to think outside of the box and, not worry about it, just complete a cohesive spread. I think I'll be able to use this one for the remainder of the year. I don't know. I still have my homebody dashboard as my backup, so we'll see. But let me go ahead and put these on the disc. All right, and that's it. So I like it. Now, one thing about it, I love, love, love these Wild Style sticker books. So maybe, I'll just keep using these for a while until I get the hang of planning in this mini vertical. So we'll see what happens. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.